तत्काला काक होई बिक पकऊ मराला दुनिया चारु सुंदरई होई सतसंगति महिमा नहीं कोई वाल्मीक नारद बत जोनी निज निज मुख निकही निज होनी जल चर थल चर नव चरनारा चेरा चेतन जीवन जाना मति कीर्ति कथि भूति बड़ाई जब जेहि जतन जहाँ जेहि पाई सो जहाँ सत्संग प्रभाव रोकहु वेदन हारहु पाऊँ बिनु सत्संग विवेक न होई राम कृपा बिनु सुलभ न सोई सत्संगत मुर मंगल मूला सोई फल सिद्धि साधन पूरा सतसुध सत्संगति पाई पारस परस कुधात सुनाई दीदी बस सुजन कुसंगति परई मनि मनि संयम निज गुण सर दीदी हरिहर कवि को बीरवानी कहत साधु महिमा सब जानी सो सुमिरहि राम देहि गणकारी तुम संगति कारी कहोई देखिए काल मंजु मसि सोई सोई अनिल संसारा कोई जलत जगत जीवन दाता रह चरण बना पाई जुजोग सुजोग कोई कुबस्तु सुबस्तु जगह लाई जुलक्षण लोग सम प्रकाश तम पाक दुहु नाम भेद गिरिकीना सासो सक पोषक समुझी जग जस अपजस जरा चेतन जग जीव जता सकल राम यनि जानी बन्नाओ सबके पद कमला सदा जोनि जुग पानी देव दुलक्ष्मण नाग प्रेत पिता बन्नाओ किंकर रजनि चरा कृपा करो अब सर्व रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत महापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संगठन की जय आकर 4,84,00,000 जाति थी जल थल नभवासी सिया राम मैं सब जग जानी करहु प्रणाम जोनि जुग पानी जानी कृपा कर किम कर मोह सब मिली करहु चारि चल जो निज बुद्धि बल भरोसा मोहि नाई ताते विनय करहु सब सरस होई अटवाति फीका, जे पर फनिति सुनत हरसाई, ते उत जगनाहि, जग बहु नर सर सरि समभाई, जे निज माहि बरहि जल पाई, सजन सकृत सिंधु सम कोई, देखि पुराण भाग छोट अभिलाषु बड़ा, करहु एक विश्वास, करहि सुख सुनि सुजन समा, कर कहि हरि उपहास, सिया पर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय। खल परिहास होई हित मोरा, काक कहि काल कंचन मोरा, हम सही बगदा दुर छाट कई, हासहि मलिन कल विमल गई, सरिसन राम पद नेऊ, तिन्ह सुख हसई, भाषा भनीति बोलवति मोय, हासिनि जोग हासि नहीं होय, प्रभु पद प्रीति न समुझ, तिन्हि कथा सुनि भाति प्रीति, हरि पद पद रति मति रघुराई, तिन्ह मधुर कथा राम भगति भूषित जिय जानी, सुनि हर सुजन सराहि सुहानी, कबहु कोई बचन प्रमित, सकल कला सब विद्याही, आखर अर्थ अलंकृत नाना, चंद प्रबंध अनेक विधाना, भावार्थ रस विभव पारा, कपित दोष गुण कपित विवेक एक नहीं मोर, सत्य बहु लिखि कागद मोर, भानिति मोरि सब गुण रहिता, विश्वविदित गुण एक, सो विचारि सुनिति सुमति, जिनहि विमल एक, सियावर राम रघुनाथ की गति कूर कबीर सरित की जो सरित पावन पाच की प्रभु सुजस संगति अनिज भाई सोई इस जन मन भावनी भव अंग भूति मसान की सुमिरत सुहावनी पावनी प्रिय लगी अति सब ही ममा बनती राम जस संगा दारु विचारु की करई कोई बंदय मलई प्रसंग श्याम सुरभि गुणत करहि सब पार गिरा ग्राम्य सिय राम जसा गावहि सुनहि सुजान सिया पर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय हरि ओम।
It is with great pleasure that I stand before you at Chinmaya Mission, California. Welcome everyone. Welcome Mr. Hanuman Singh, Pandits, Brahmacharis, Brahmacharinis, Swamiji. This building where we all stand, where we are all gathered, is actually the original and it is right here on this very spot that Brahmachari Prem Chaitanya started a movement that would attain national, regional and even global acclaim. From Cedrus to Chabonas, from Maracas to Mayaro, from Toko to Tobago,
white writing in
and Chinmaya Mission, and more so the name Swami Prakashananda, is known, respected and revered. And it all began on this very spot. It is with that historical weight on my shoulders that I stand humbled before you to welcome you to the first night of our 108 nights of Ramayana Katha with our beloved Swamiji. My name is Kamini Rampasad Serju, better known as Anna, and on behalf of the Nippons, Mala, Anita, Ronnie, and the others, and the Chinmaya Mission California branch, we welcome all of you to tonight's satsang. We welcome all the viewers on the social media pages on 101.7 FM, and I welcome all of you in person also. As Mala said in her TV interview, Bhagwan has returned to California. So let us now imbibe his teachings. Let us now drink of the nectar of the Guru. Enjoy. Hari.
From Chinmaya Mission in California with the compliments of Republic Bank Limited, Extra Food Supermarkets, T.N. Ramnath Company Limited, Timul Trace and Pinal, Richards Hardware Supplies, Lower Milford Road, Scarborough, Tobago, Maharaj Auto Supplies and Tire Service, Main Road, South Orange.
लोकाभिरामम् रणरङ्गधीरम् राजीवनेत्रम् रघुवंशनाथम्
श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम
लोकाभिरामम् रङ्गधीरम् रघुवंशनाथम्
श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम
कारुण्यरूपं करुणाकरं तं चन्द्रं शरणं प्रपद्ये
श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम
कारुण्यरूपं करुणाकरं तं श्रीरामचन्द्रं शरणं प्रपद्ये
श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम
राम राम राम सीता राम 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 बोलो
राम 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 सीता राम राम राम
राम सीता राम राम राजा राम 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 सीता राम राम राम
राजा राम 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 सीता राम राम
बोलो राम 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 सीता राम राम राम
बोलो राम 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 सीता राम राम
सियावर रामचंद्र की जय. Let me take this opportunity to welcome all of you, those who are sitting here tonight, to welcome all of those who are listening on 101.7 FM Heritage Radio, to welcome a very special and revered gentleman who is an institution in his own rights, insofar as communications and radio and television and all such journalism is concerned. Shri Hans Hanuman Singh, who has joined us tonight. He was also with us last night at the inaugural Mangalacharan session at the Sant Tulsidas campus in Kuva. Tonight you saw our members here in California and surroundings chanting 10 dohas. We call it Dasha Doha. 10 dohas of Ramayana. And this will continue for 107 nights remaining. And in those 107 nights, the whole Ramayana will be finished. So our Sevaks and Sevikas chanted tonight the first 10. They're just about 1064 odd dohas. And if we finish before, we'll resume from beginning. We'll start again. So this is how it will proceed for the 108 nights, tonight being the first. The Sevaks, Sevikas and the groups in the various temples across Trinidad and Tobago will chant 10 doha every night. And I will speak on those 10 dohas. Now, it is impossible for me to speak on each doha, because each verse, because there are many. Between each doha, there are about 5 or 6 verses. So you're talking about 50 or 60, sometimes 70, sometimes 100 lines in between. So it is difficult to cover all the lines, but I'll tell you. You will see the pattern tonight, and then you will know how we'll proceed in these 108 nights. From those verses between the dohas, I will choose the main dohas, main chopais, main topics. So you will see tonight. First topic, main topic. Guru. In what they chanted tonight in those 10 dohas, first topic is Guru. You'll see Tulsidas Ji's presentation as we go along also. So what, in the beginning here, where they chanted, there is something called as Guru Gita. Guru Gita means there are several verses on reverence to Guru. So the first one, which relates to this Guru and which forms the beginning of the Guru Gita, is Bandhav Guru Padakanj. This verse everybody will be knowing from the Sumiran. Let us join in chanting. You all know. First topic, and this is our first verse in that section. Bandhav Guru Padakanj, Kripa Sindhu Nar Roop Hari, Mahamohatam Punj, Jasu Bachan Kavi Karani Kara, Jasu Bachan Ravi Karani Kara, Jasu Bachan Ravi Karani Kara. Bandhav Guru Padakanj. Let me tell you the meaning. Salutations to the lotus feet of the Guru. Bandhav Guru Padakanj. Kripa Sindhu Nara Rupa Hari. The Guru is Hari in Nara Rup. Nara Rup means the form of man. The Guru is Hari himself in the form of man. And he is Kripa Sindhu. Last night we saw that also. That the compassion of the Guru is the most notable quality of Guru. Compassion. Because he sees, he gives his life, in other words, for the benefit of others. Vande bodhamayam nityam gurum shankara rupinam yamashrito hivakropi chandra sarvatra vandyate. Last night we saw this thing there in the Mangalacharan. And the Guru gives refuge to that Teri moon also. And because he found refuge in that Guru, the Teri means crooked. The moon also becomes reverential, like that. So this is an example Tulsidashi gave in the Mangalacharan. So here he says, Kripa Sindhu is quality of the Guru. He is ocean of compassion. Maha Mohatam Apunj Jasu Bachana Rabi Karanikara. His words are like the rays of the sun that dispels the darkness of ignorance from the heart and mind of the disciple and all those who listen. So this is the what the Guru does and how he does what he does. His compassion comes through his words only, actually, because he has nothing else to give. His knowledge through his words, which dispels darkness of ignorance. Maha Mohatam Apunj. Ignorance which has its first offspring called as moha, delusion. We see all things upside down. So the Guru gives this. At another place, he tells the importance of this Guru. This verse is not there. Binu Guru Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama Shri Ram Jai
Ram Jai Jai Rama
Binu Guru Bhavani Tarai na koi
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama
Jau Biranji Sankar Sam hoi
Shri Ram Jai Jai Rama
Binu Guru Bhavani Tarai na koi
Shri Ram Jai Jai Rama
Jau Biranji Sankar Sam hoi
Shri Ram
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama
Jai Raghuram Ramachandra ki jai. So from the side of the Guru, it was described just now, the nature of the Guru, compassion of the Guru, necessity of the Guru now is described in this other verse which I just chanted. Huh? Necessity. Many people feel in this world that we don't need a Guru. You don't need a teacher. Let me tell you something. For the simplest of things in this world, we need somebody to show, to guide, to demonstrate. For the simplest of things. What to talk of the more complex, subtle, esoteric things. You finer things. Who will teach? So, basic things. Somebody taught you to write, na? To write A, B, C, D. And they had to show you how to hold this pencil also. They used to give you a slate and a chalk. Nowadays, little children don't know what it's slate and all. Now they have iPad. Yes. And what do you call it? No, these stylus. They're writing in style. Stylus. So, somebody had to teach the basic things. This knowledge which is Rajavi Vidya Rajaguhyam Pavitramidam Uttamam, which is supreme kingly knowledge which deals with the most subtle thing in the universe, the finest thing in the universe, the absolute reality. So for that we don't need a guru. People say that and actually this is only ego. Ego jumping up and making claims, unfounded claims, that I don't need a teacher. He says, Guru Pinu Bhavani Ditarai na koi. Nobody crosses this ocean of samsara without a guru. Jo bhi ranchi Shankar sam hoi. Whether that person be the like of Shankar Bhagwan or Brahmaji, they also need some. Bhagwan Ram, when he comes here, avatar, his Guru Vasishtha is there to teach, give jnana. Bhagwan Shri Krishna, Sandipani Rishi. Everybody has a guru. And Bhagwan needs a guru and we say we don't need guru. So, beginning here, Tulsidas ji lays out this importance of guru. Very, very important. Then, sadhu. Next topic. He does salutations to guru, then he does salutations to the sadhus. I tell you what he says. Sadhu charita, subha charita ka pasu is like cotton. You know cotton? The story of the sadhus is like the story of the cotton. The poor cotton, yet I tell you, when they take from the tree, they put it in this machine and they beat and weave and pull and everything and dye also. Dye means they kill him. And then after all that beating and pulling and weaving and stringing and everything, in the end, the cotton protects us from the weather, protects us from coldness, protects our body from the elements. See, after all that winnowing and beating and this and that, or whatever it goes through, in the end only is to protect the person. He describes a sadhu like this. So now see our second verse about sadhu. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama Shri Ram. सब गाइए.
जय जय राम
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama Shri Ram Jai Ram
जय जय राम
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama जग जंगम तीरथ राजू श्री राम जय
जय जय राम
राम भक्ति सुर सरिधारा श्री राम जय सरसई ब्रह्म विचार प्रचारा
श्री राम जय राम
कली मल हरनिक विधि निषेधमय कलिमल हरणी श्री राम जय
जय जय राम
करम कथारवि नंदनि वरणी श्री राम जय
जय जय राम
श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम श्री राम
जय
जय राम श्यावर रामचंद्र की जय मुद मंगलमय संत समाजु Sant Samaj means all the sadhus, saints, all the great Mahapurush. He said together they are the very source of Muda. Muda means Ananda. Ananda means bliss. Let me tell you something. You please see. When you go to this place or that place, even when you go home also, to your own home, always there is some jhagada. Jhagada means what? Quarrel, fight, this, that. In your own home, the moment you walk in there, somebody moved the mat from by the door. They put the mat outside to dust it out, and they dust it. They didn't come and pull back the mat. When you reach the door, there no mat there. So you didn't see the mat. Immediately, in home also, we get, Jagara start. Who moved the mat? So, in the home also, everywhere. But if you go to Sadhu Samaj, you go to an assembly of sadhu. Are one sadhu if you meet. That's how many jagara. Muda Mangalamaya. Very abode of Muda Ananda. The moment you meet, joy. Then Mangalamaya, the very abode of auspiciousness. Mangala. And he likens a very wonderful metaphor in the beginning here of the Ramayana. He likens the Santa Samaj, Sadhu Samaj, with Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati in Triveni. Now, our last trip, all those who went to India, we had gone to Triveni for a little dip and this and that. Yes. Where? Prayag, where Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati meet there in modern day Prayag. So he likens Santa Samaj to this modern day Prayag. And he says, some saints are jnanis, some saints are bhaktas, and some saints are karma yogis. And the three rivers represented in the verse now he tells, Jo jagat jangam tirata raju, Rama bhakti jaha surasari dhara. Ganga is Rama bhakti. So some saints in that Samaj, Sadhu Samaj, they will be bhaktas. So they will teach through bhakti. Or they will teach bhakti. Some of the sadhus. Then Sarasai Brahma Vichar Prachara. Saraswati Nadi, river, is Brahma Vichar means jnanis. Some of the saints are jnanis. So all saints will not be same. All sadhus, Mahatmas will not be same. Some will teach bhakti, some will teach jnana. And Karma Katha Rabinandanik Bharani. And some will teach Karma Yoga, means do seva. Some will teach all three. Because when you go there, you meet all three or not? Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati. So they represent that. So look here. See, while there's a physical Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati in Prayag, in our own life also, when we are developing bhakti in our heart, actually we are really evoking Ganga in the flow of bhakti, devotion. When we are doing seva, we are evoking the flow of karma or Saraswati. What do you call? Karma Katha Ravinandini Bharani, Yamuna. And when we do Brahma Vichar, when we reflect, ponder, contemplate on the higher reality with guidance from the teacher, we are actually evoking Saraswati. So while there is a physical thing, river there and Sangam and Prayag, there is also the representation of those through sadhana which we do. Don't think it is removed from us. So this Santa Samaj, Sadhu Samaj, he revers. And the important thing about Sadhu Samaj is having satsang with sadhus. That is the next topic, satsang. Not only doing reverence to sadhus, but having satsang. And a very famous verse which you all heard them chanting. There are 2 verses we will chant now from this section. That is the next topic. See that. Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Rama. Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Rama.
Shri Ram Jaya Ram, Jaya Jaya Rama. Shri Ram Jaya Ram, Jaya Jaya Rama.
Mati Kirati Gati Bhuti Bhalai, Sab Jehi Jatan Jaha Jehi Pai. Shri
Ram Jaya Ram, Jaya Jaya Rama. Shri Ram Jaya Ram, Jaya Jaya Rama.
So Janav Sat Sang Prabhav, Lok Vedana An Pau.
Shri Ram Jaya Ram, Jaya Jaya Rama. Shri Ram Jaya Ram, Jaya Jaya Rama.
Binu Sat Sanga Vivek Na Hoi, Ram Kripa Sulabh Na Soi.
Shri Ram Jaya Ram, Jaya Jaya Rama. Shri Ram Jaya Ram, Jaya Jaya Rama.
Sat Sangat Muda Mangal Mula, Soi Phal Siddhi Sab Sadhan Pula.
Shri Ram Jaya Ram, Jaya Jaya Rama. Shri Ram Jaya Ram, Jaya Jaya Rama.
Bolo Ram 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 Sita Ram Ram Ram.
Bolo Ram Ram Ram, Sita Ram Ram Ram.
Raja Ram 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 Sita Ram Ram Ram.
Raja Ram Ram Ram, Sita Ram Ram Ram.
Bolo Ram 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 Sita Ram Ram Ram.
Bolo Ram Ram Ram, Sita Ram Ram Ram.
श्यावर रामचंद्र की जय। मति कीरति गति भूति भलाई, जब जही जतन जहां जही पाई, सो जानब। Anything in this world which we achieve only through association with the good. That is the idea. Only through association with the good. So janab satasanga prabhav lokahu bedan ana upav. In the world and in the Vedas also it is spoken about the importance and greatness of satsang, and a very, very famous verse which all of us know. Binu satasanga vivek na hoi. Even this 1/4 of a chopai, we remember, is enough actually. Binu satsanga vivek, without satsanga, vivek na hoi, means that person's intellectual capacity, which really marks a human being apart from the rest of species, is vivek, intellect. If that satsang is not there, that vivek will not blossom, will not. Please come. Viveka will not dawn. And Viveka is the most important thing on the spiritual path. Are you see now? On the spiritual path, if I cannot discriminate, Tulsidaji just now will talk about that again. If I cannot discriminate between what is permanent and what is impermanent, what is real and what is unreal, even in simple life we cannot do. Because I don't know if it has happened to you, but it has happened to me. I have in the past taken a rope for a snake. If you take a rope for a snake, it's okay. But please don't take a snake for a rope. To be able to distinguish one from the other. And this Vivek is a big necessity in the spiritual path. And without satsang, Vivek na hoi. You know, let me tell you, it sounds gross also. And it sounds prakrit. But let me tell you in Trini language. In good street Trini language, if we do attend satsang, we go, always be stupid. That is Trini language. And I don't know, it sounds bad, but I have to tell. Binu satsanga vivek na hoi, Ram kripa binu sulabh na soi. And without the kripa of Bhagwan Ram, this satsang also is not possible. All of us tonight who are here and who are listening and who have joined this satsang, everybody has had the kripa of Bhagwan Ram. Without that kripa, we would not have been listening here. Mudamangala, satsangata mudamangala mula, soy phalasiti sabasadana. Satsang, actually Tulsidaji puts this satsang on the highest pedestal. It is the result of all sadhanas we have done. So we have to do some sadhana to have this opportunity to have satsang. And satsang with sadhu. To conclude, he tells, this is in Doha number 3, he tells about the nature of sadhus further. I could not leave this chopai, this Doha. संत समान चित हित अनहित नहीं कोई राम हित अनहित नहीं कोई अंजलिगत शुभ सुमन दिनी हम सुगंध कर धोई सिया पर रामचंद्र की जय शरणम पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय सियावर रामचंद्र की जय शरणम. बंदौ संत समान चित्त. Bandhav Sant, I do salutations to all the Santa, Sadhu, Mahatmas, all the great souls of this world. I do salutations to them. They are of Samana Chit. This is very, very instructional for all of us. Samana Chit. Samana Chit means they are of equal mind to all beings and things and persons. This is a quality Bhagwan tells. This is a quality of Bhagwan only. In Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavan tells, Samoham sarvabhuteshu name dveshyosti na priyaha. I am equal to all beings. I have no special love for this one or no hatred for that one or nothing. Name dveshyo asti na priyaha. That quality Tulsidas is there in saints. So saints are verily the gods on earth, actually. Samana chita. Hita anahita nahi koi. They don't have any favorite. We have favorites, Worldly people have favorite. Mundane souls. We have favorites. This one is my favorite, and that one is my favorite, and the other one. And that one I don't like at all. We are very good expressive also. In Trinidad have nice phrases for all of those things. My blood just don't take him. I don't know what is about blood and all that kind of thing, but it means something to us. And he gives example of saint. This example, see, I tell you, Tulsidaji also claims, Nana Purana Nigamagama Sammatam Yad, last night we saw, that he is very taken from all the various sources, and Shankar Bhagwan also, and he has put everything here, right? He claims, and all our saints and sages, Mahatma Gandhiji also said, I have nothing new to teach the world. Nothing new, because all the knowledge, all the gyan, all the precepts, everything, principles, everything is already there. Tulsidaji has put it here. Rabindranath Tagore has taken it and put it in nice poetry also. But it's already here. He said, Anjali Gata Subha Sumana Jimi. Like anybody who takes a handful of flowers, scented flowers. Then, Samasugandha Kardoi. And those flowers will give the sweet scent to that person. It doesn't matter if a saint holds the flowers or a sinner holds the flowers. The flowers will give sweet scent to that hand. Tagore took it and said, the axe or the sandalwood, as if to prove the triumph of love over hatred, perfumes the axe that lays it low. I mean, the axe is cutting down the sandal tree. The sandal tree's life is going to end. But the sandalwood gives perfume to the axe. This is the Santa Swabhav, the nature of saints, nature of sadhus. It's like this flower. No matter if a criminal takes that flower, the flower will give scent to that, sweet scent to that hand. This is the idea. And after doing salutations to sadhus like this, and revering the saints and sages like this, Tulsidaji does a most unconventional thing. This is, you will not see anywhere. After number 3 now you see. Very interesting. Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram. Syamara Ramachandra ki jai. Very unconventional thing in scriptures, but very necessary. And actually, this is why I was telling last night also, Tulsidas ji is an acclaimed bhakta of Bhagwan Sri Ram, but he is also at the same time, and which is not far-fetched, a perfect jnani of the Upanishads. Perfect jnani of the Upanishads. And the Upanishads speak about a duality which is apparent to all of us. There's an apparent duality. But underlying the apparent duality is a oneness which transcends all our perception of duality. And the duality rests, he says, Rajau yatha her brahmaha. Like a snake and the rope example which we gave, a snake on a rope. The snake is an appearance. The rope is the reality. And he uses that in the beginning to describe Bhagwan Ram. Rama is that satta, the substratum of the universe, which gives reality to that which is appearing on the substratum. And had there not been a substratum, the reality of the appearance which we are all experiencing, that appearance will have no foundation, no aadhar, no support. If there's no rope on the road, you will not see a snake. There has to be first a rope. So there is a duality of an appearance and a substratum. But really speaking, when you delve deeper into that, what happens is there's really only a substratum. Because when you delve deeper, the snake disappears. So here also, Tulsidas ji is now speaking about this duality which we all experience. And both the things in the duality is made up of the same reality. And just now he'll conclude this. What he does? Salutations to Sant Mahatma Sadhus, Sant Log, Sant Gana. He does salutations first. Now, unconventionally, and that's why I told to preserve the teaching of the Upanishad. He does salutations to all wicked people. Salutations to all the wicked and vile and diabolical and all the rakshas. Whatever name you want to call. Those fellows are also very loving. Very essential, important. Part and parcel of the whole Brahmanda, part and parcel of the whole experience which we have. And had it not been, in other words, what you have now is a universe that is made up of positive and negative. He says, Bahuri Bandi Khalagana Sati Bhai. Not Sati Bhai, what he uses. With deep reverence, I do salutations to all Khalagana. Khalagana means all the whole horde of wicked people. I am doing the expression of Tulsidas ji only. All the wicked people in the world. And I have told you many times in lectures, in Vedanta lectures, all the people who we don't like and who we think should not be there, they are also essential. You know, in society we have something called essential services. Well, in Bhagwan's sansar, in Bhagwan's world, all sadhus, Mahatma, all they are essential, but all wicked people are also essential. Next time the wicked person who you think is wicked and is not essential, you should go and do arati for him. He is also essential. I'll just show you. Let us just say, I told you, I have to tell again, because people forget. Suppose we remove all criminals, all crime. Now, this is not a justification for crime. I'll tell you that just now also. But just suppose, think along with me now. Suppose you remove all crime. Okay, so nobody going to commit any crime anymore. Crime-free world. Well, in a crime-free world, you'll have to remove all the police and the army and everything because nobody will do anything wrong, isn't it? So you fire the 10,000 police officers who are there in Trinidad right now, you fire them. We're just talking about Trinidad for the time being. Fire 10,000 police officers. And if you fire the 10,000 police officers, well, there's no need for any guns and ammunition and this and that, all the factories who making them and you import it and you close down all that. Then there'll be no need for any courts and law and law books and lawyers and justices and because nobody will come there. Nobody will do anything wrong. That is the idea. Then law school, close it down. Close down the court and close down all the things. Then in your house, there'll be no need for any locks on your doors. So the people who are making locks, you fire all of them. What are you talking about locks? You don't need any door also. Fire all the door makers and all your security cameras and all the things that you have. All the security companies now, bigger than the police force. You fire all of them. Then you fire 100,000 people already. Right? If you fire these 100,000 people, then what will happen? Now 100,000 people don't have any money. Now who go buy groceries from BRG supermarket? 100,000 people on the bread line. So they can't buy from the supermarket. Now, because they can't buy from the supermarket, they have to close down. So all the people who work in the supermarket, they also... Let me tell you something. All the people who do all of the crime and all the things which are going on, they are very, very essential. Actually, and this speaks about a reality which underlies this universe in which we are living. People don't think about this reality like this. The reality called as a Dvandva Sansar. Dvandva Sansar comes in Bhagavad Gita also. There is a duality in everything, means negative and positive. In every atom, the universe is built like this. So if you remove the negative charge from the atom, what happens? It will collapse. The whole universe will collapse. So these people, Tulsidas is doing salutations to them. He says, from the bottom of my heart, I do salutations to them. Because he knows they are essential for the running of the universe. And if Kaikeyi was not there, no Ramayana. Correct or not? Eh? Bhagwan Ram gone to Janakpur, marry Sitaji and come back home. Is Ramayana done? Which movie you will go there and see? Only Amitabh Bachchan is there and no Gabbar Singh. Who will go to see? He'll come there, sing 2 songs and all, go around some tree and flowers and movie done. You need that Gabbar Singh. अरे कितने आदमी थे साहब हम 3 थे और वहां एक ही थे, एक ही था. Gabbar Singh must be there, no? Somebody. Or no movie, no nothing, no atom, no world. This is the idea which is now at the back of Baba's mind when he is now, after Sadhu Sant Samaj doing salutations to them, now he's doing salutations to all the Khala. He calls Khala. He uses a very light word. Khala means wicked. And he describes, it goes on, let me tell you one more thing. One more thing. You have to read the Ramayana to see that. Sadhu Sant Samaj, he does in 1 doha, 2 dohas. Khalavana, this is all wicked. Dohas after dohas. Just like Bhagavad Gita. Same thing Bhagavan Shri Krishna does there in 16th chapter. Daivasura Sampad Vibhaga Yoga in Bhagavad Gita, for the Daivi, good qualities, 2 verses. Evil qualities, rest of the chapter. Because that is what you see more than what you don't see. That is more visible. One good thing. 1 kilo of gold is worth more than tons of nickel, isn't it? Or steel. 1 kilo of gold. And that is why you have there only 2 verses on all the good qualities. And here also, few verses on Sadhu Sant Samaj. And so many verses on this. And he describes, Parahita hani labh jina kere ujare harasha vishad base. Oh, he describes, he goes on to, I just tell brief description in half a chaupai, what he tells. What is the nature of such people? He says, they rejoice when other people have loss in their life. And they are miserable when other people have prosperity. This is the nature. And that nature, of course, trickles down into so many other things. So he does salutations to these wicked. And he says, again, Bandau Sant, this is number. We have to chant. After number 4. Bandau Sant asajjan charana
Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram
dukh pradh ubhay bichi kchu avgan.
Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram
Dukh pradh ubhay bichi kchu parna.
Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram
बिछुरत एक प्राण हरि लेहि
Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram
मिलत एक दुख दारुण देहि.
Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram
श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम.
Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram
After doing salutations to these 2 groups, Sadhu Sant Samaj on this side and Khala Gana on this side, he says, now I do salutations to both of them because both of them, it's an unconventional expression, because both of them give sorrow. What? Sadhus also give sorrow? All the wicked people, we understand how wicked people give sorrow, but sadhus also give sorrow. Yes, Tulsidaji, very, and his poetic style and the tradition to which he belongs gives him so many resources to express these things. He says, sadhus also give sorrow, and these wicked also give sorrow. How? One gives sorrow by leaving, and one gives sorrow by coming. That is the idea. When the sadhu leaves, he gives us sorrow. When that wicked one comes, we say, oh God, he coming again. Both give sorrow in this way. How wonderful his expressions. And Bhale upoch sab vidhi upajaye. It is Bhagwan only who gave rise. Means the Ishvara who gave manifestation to the 2 groups. Gani gana dosha beda bilagaye. But the Vedas give distinction between the 2. And this is the important point now. Yes, there is a duality, there is negative and there is positive. So then, from the duality, which one do we want? That is a very simple thing. Nobody wants the negative side, isn't it? Everybody wants the... See, health and disease, there is a duality. Health and disease. So which one do we want? Health. Affluence and poverty. Which one do we want? Affluence. You see? So we always want the positive side. So it says the Vedas give the technique of discrimination between the 2. Because many people may choose negative thing thinking it to be positive. Huh? That is the exact thing which happens in fast food, for instance. We are choosing all the negative things, thinking it to be. What is our. Because we don't follow the scriptures, we don't have the discriminative power. So that we choose the negative thing, thinking it to be positive. On what basis we choose it? Oh, it tastes so good, Swamiji. You are Swami, you don't know. There people tell me all that all the time. You know where you're missing. You eat this and eat that. You see, that? So you're choosing a negative thing, thinking it to be positive. That is why he says the Vedas make the distinction, the discrimination between the two. And so the Vedas are our guide. Kahi Veda Itihasa Purana Vidhi Prapanchu Guna Avaguna Sana. Ishvara himself is the one who has mixed both and put in this world. Jarachetana Doshamaya. Jarachetana Guna Doshamaya. Biswakina Kartar Santa Hansa Guna Gahahi Paya Parihari Bar. Because the sant or the saint is the one who can separate the good from the bad, good from the evil, and choose like a Hansa bird, a swan, choose the good and leave that which is not good. In the next topic which he deals with is telling how we should have in life in general good association, not only with saints but good association on the whole. Associate with the right people. See how this group got together online. Through Zoom, they learned to chant, That's why they were chanting so fast. Zoom. Associate with the right people. In many, many wonderful verses, he talks about that. And in the end of these 10 dohas which were chanted, he reiterates the oneness in a very famous verse, which all of you will be knowing. Now let me tell you the number for those who are trying to follow. After number 7. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama.
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama.
Aakar chari lakh chaurasi. Shri Ram Jai Ram
Jai Jai Rama.
जाति जीव जल थल नववासी.
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama.
सी राम में सब जग जानी.
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama.
करऊं प्रणाम जोरी जुग पानी.
Shri
राम जय राम
Jai Jai Rama.
श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम.
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama.
श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम.
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama.
श्यावर रामचंद्र की जय. And this is where he ends with the Upanishadic teaching. What is that? Seeing my Ram in all things in this universe. He says, I put my hands together and I do salutations, prostrations to All beings and things. Siya Ram mein sab jagat jani. Everything is made up of Rama is a substratum. That's how we began yesterday in Mangalacharan. Rama is the substratum of all things in the universe. And seeing that Ram in all things, I do salutation. So all things alike. Whether they live on water, they live on land, or they live on trees, or wherever. I do salutations to all of them. In the next section, the next topic is Tulsidashi does an apology. What is an apology? He says, now I'm going to relate Ram Katha. See this nice apology. I'm going to relate Ram Katha. Ram Katha is infinite. Ram Katha is limitless. And my intellect is this small. My intellect is so finite, so inadequate. And Ram Katha is infinite. I apologize. In the beginning, he apologizes that I am going to apply this little intellect to such a vast Katha. So I'm sure I will not be able to do justice to it. And if Tulsidaji has written this Ramcharitmanas, and this has become so famous, so renowned, so well known, which has become a guiding light for so many millions everywhere, and he has lifted the lives of so many, and he is saying that his intellect could never do justice to the Katha of Rama. Think about the greatness and glory of Rama's Katha. Even after doing all of this, he is saying it is inadequate. So in other words, he glorifies the Katha of Rama by apologizing. This ends this section in this Ramcharitamanas. Tomorrow now from Doha number 11 onwards. Tomorrow where are we? Shiv Harijan Mandir in Debe. Shiv Harijan Mandir in Debe. Okay. All right. Before we have the... Yes?
3 o'clock, Sundarkand, anybody want to come?
Oh yes. There Sundarkand will be chanted at the Shiv Harijan Mandir at 3 p.m. Those who want to join there, please go down to Devi and join in this Sundarkand chanting. All right. Please take a look at our bookstall here. There are many titles on Ramayana. There's a Ramayana for children. And there's a Ramcharitmanas of Goswami Tulsidaji. It is the most inexpensive Ramayana. Inexpensive Ramayana you could buy. We try to keep the price down so everybody can afford. So please take a look on that side. Okay, at our bookstall. All right. There's also a bag to carry your Ramayana. That came from India. Okay. A very special thank you to all of you for joining, and to our most revered Sri Hans Hanuman Singh Ji, who has joined tonight to come and carry this broadcast live. To who? Here we have a prasad. For every temple where we go, we have prasad to give. This is a very costly pen drive. What do you call it? USB pen drive, right? With the whole Ramayana, which I had done in the Vedanta course for the Vedanta students. And there we did every verse. It took almost 2 years. So the whole thing is on this USB, and we call on the chief organizer here, Mala Ji. PRO of Chinmaya Mission, California. Come to receive this, and then we'll have the Aarti. So you can put it up on your computer and see. It is video and audio, or only audio? Audio on your in your car radio and all of the different places you can listen to it. On behalf of Chinmaya Mission, Trinidad and Tobago, we want to present you with this token of our appreciation for having organized Chinmaya Mission's Yajna here. You're welcome. Okay, I will conclude with Aarti. And I left out anything? Aarti के लिए सब खड़े हो जाइए. आरती श्री रामायण जी की, कीर्ति कलित ललित सिय की। आरती श्री रामायण जी की, कीर्ति कलित ललित सिय की। गावत ब्रह्मादिक मुनि नारद, वाल्मीक विज्ञान विशारद। सुख सनकादि शेष अरु सारद, बरनि पवन सुत कीरति नीति। आरती श्री रामायण जी की,
कीरति कलित ललित सिय की। आरती श्री रामायण जी की, कीरति कलित ललित सिय की।
गावत वेद पुराण अष्टदश, छो शास्त्र सब ग्रंथन को रस। मुनिजन धन संतन को सर्वस, सार अंश सम्मत सब हीकी।
आरती श्री रामायण जी की, कीरति कलित ललित सिय की। आरती श्री रामायण जी की, कीरति कलित ललित सिय की।
गावत संतत शंभु भवानी, अरुहत संभव मुनि विज्ञानी। व्यास आदि कवि बर्ज बखानी, काग कुशुंडी गरुड़ के गीती।
आरती श्री रामायण जी की, कीरति कलित ललित सिय की। आरती श्री रामायण जी की, कीरति कलित ललित सिय की। कीरति कलित ललित सिय की। आरती श्री रामायण जी की, कीरति कलित ललित सिय की।
कलिमल हरनि विषय रस पीकी, सुभग सिंगार मोक्ति दुख। दलन रोग भव मूढ़ि अमीकी, तात मात सब विधि तुलसी की।
आरती श्री रामायण जी की, कीरति कलित ललित सिय की। आरती श्री रामायण जी की, कीरति कलित ललित सिय की।
श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम। श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम।
श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम। श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम।
श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम। श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम।
श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम। श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम।
श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम। श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम।
श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम। श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम।
मंगलम भगवान विष्णु, मंगलम गरुड़ध्वज, मंगलम पुंडरीकाक्ष, मंगलायतनो हरि। त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव, त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव, त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव, त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव। ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते, पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम। बोलो सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय, श्री सत्य सनातन धर्म की जय। नमः पार्वती पते हर हर महादेव। हरि ओम।
But Mala asked me to do this, so I have to do what the PRO asked me to do. So from last night, one word has stuck in my mind, and it's going like a broken record. It just won't stop. And that word is Kripa. We, the Nipuns, were the first bunch of youths to be blessed with Swamiji's Kripa. And oh boy, it was fun on so much levels. To the Guru Parampara of Chinmaya Mission and to our beloved Swamiji, we remain eternally grateful to you. We cannot thank you enough, Swamiji. My fondest demonstration of this Kripa was at the junction of a very bittersweet moment in my life when I needed an answer to a most difficult question. I did not have to come to you, Swamiji, for that answer. I got that answer in my dream. And it was the correct and the best way to go. Thank you so much. I cannot thank you enough, Swamiji. We also remember all the lost persons, all the persons who would have worked hard towards this mission in California, who we would have lost, especially the loss of our dear Uncle Evans G. We remember him at this time, and we miss his pepperoni also. Sorry, I couldn't make for you all. Now, to end today's session, I would also like to say thank you to everyone who would have given to complete today's proceedings, who would have helped us in so many ways. Thanks to all of you for coming, and do have a safe journey home, and stay safe and COVID-free, please. Hari Om.
Hरि ओम।
Oh, one more thing, we want to ask Glenn to make a presentation to Swamiji, please. Huh? Oh,
Collect all the Nipuns. Hरि ओम। Thank you। No. Yeah.
So we do have meals on the go. It will be shared by that gate, so you all can collect your meals on the go and reach home safely. See you all tomorrow, hopefully. Hari Om.